Large parts of the United States are experiencing a stormy, wintry October. Various weather agencies report potentially historic storm will slam north and central regions over the next few days, bringing heavy snow and record low temperatures. As of Thursday morning, a local time, the storm had already dumped 61 centimeters of snow on certain parts of Montana. Temperatures in Denver, Colorado plunged to -5 degrees Celsius on Thursday morning after reaching 26 degrees Celsius in the previous afternoon.